Oh, we live. Okay. I didn't really have anything to film, so we're just gonna give you guys a nice little unboxing. Hold on, let me set up this camera. Interesting way to pack this by Apple, but we got a new smart battery case. This is like my favorite Apple accessory of all time. Just so you guys know, this is my last one. I've never seen one get this damaged before. Look at it, was peeling. It's horrible. I've never seen that happen to one before, so I had to buy another one. It's like freaking 130 bucks, but this is my favorite Apple accessory. I absolutely love this thing. Okay. And oh yeah, so I ordered a Nike shoe, and the cool thing about this Nike shoe, it's supposed to be like super environmentally like conscious, I guess. So like there's no real box. It comes in like recyclable. It's made out of 100% recyclable materials, and it's a shoe for anybody that wants to, you know, do their part for the world. This is a cool shoe for people to have. And I actually think I got this one on sale as well. So yeah, it's like space hippie, all that fun stuff. And I think they look actually really cool. Bunch of different materials, designs, got a big outsole, midsole. It's a cool shoe though. I really like the you know, the design of this and the colorway, honestly. For my Oregon State fans, my Oklahoma State fans, dope shoe. Dope shoe. Okay. So those are my two unboxings for you guys. Not doing anything, chilling. I'm gonna start posting more on the car channel. So if you want to see anything about the cars, that'll be on Mark Kicks and Whips. Search up anything. Also reviewed the Lexus, but yeah, go to Mark Kicks and Whips. And let me think if there's anything else. I will be heading up to the different malls tomorrow. I'm going to Des Moines tomorrow, and then on Monday I'll go to South Dakota. Business is good, everything's good. MarkKicks.com. We got new merch on the way, so go to MarkKicks.com and cop you something. Support the channel. Like the video. We'll come at you next week with another proper vlog, but this is more like an update vlog, but we had to post something, so there we go.